Okay, in this video, I will be showing you how to replace your separation roller, which pretty much keeps your machine from multiple jamming. So the first step that we need to do is open up the LCT all the way, just like that. Now open up your jam door there. Now if you're going to have to go on your knees for this one, but if you look closely, you're going to see a roller. That is your separation roller. Now next to the left of it, there's a pin, a plastic pin. With your finger, just pop it out. It's a C-clamp. Let me stop it. Okay, right there, a C-clamp, a plastic C-clamp. Make sure not to drop it, okay? So just carefully grab that. Now then, you're going to push down a little and slide the roller out, just like that. Now the roller goes in this direction, just like that. So in other words, that line, that cut that you see there, it's going to go in this way, not that way, okay? It's going to go in like that. So that aligns with the pin, or actually the white, if you see that right there, you see that plastic bushing, that will align with that section. So you're going to get your other roller, and you're just going to have to bring down that. You could use two hands. Just bring down the metal and put the roller in there. Turn it till it kind of like locks in there. Now get your C-clamp there, just like that, and just pop it back in there, just like that. So that's all there is to it. So then you go ahead and close your LCT and your jam door, and you're good to go.